Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 5 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one, just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution, so let's tap on it. And in this device we've got three different options, 1080p, which is currently applied, as you can see it is highlighted, but we've got also 4K and 720p. So just mark the option which you'd like to use. It will be immediately highlighted. It is also visible on this icon, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.